Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a Riley RM steering wheel, probably from a Riley RME, but I think they fitted them RMB, C, D, F even. I'm not quite familiar with the model range, but certainly most RMs apart from RMA had these wheels. They have a tortoiseshell marbled effect rim, which was a sort of brown and blacky orangey colour, and wire spokes. This one's in pretty good order apart from the wear on the rim. You can tap the spokes and you can hear they're not loose, which is quite unusual, but we will re-weld the spokes internally before we recast the new rim. You can see it's got a Blumels adjusting nut, that's for the telescopic column, and we'll recoat the boss in brown like it is there, and we might tidy the adjusting nut up a little bit. But that's a Riley RM steering wheel, probably dates from about the mid-1950s.